Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Venmo card. First, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not the video for you. I apologize, I cannot access my Venmo because I'm outside the US. So, yeah, if you want to lock your Venmo card, all you need to do basically, this is basically for passcode, to set up a passcode or touch ID for your Venmo. So basically, you'll need to click on cards, as you can see here on the left of card, and then select the card that you want. Once you select the card that you want, of course, for more visuals so you understand, just going to show you some steps from a video. I'm not going to play it, of course, for copyright issues, but as you can see, once you are here, we'll just have to click on cards. You will find the card that you want. Simply just go and click on that card. And once you do so, as you can see, you will find a temporarily, as you can see, disable card, and you can activate that. And this will basically lock your card. Nobody will be able to use it, and it will be locked, as you can see. So are you sure all future payments will be declined? And you can turn it back on at any time or off, whatever you want. So basically just turn it on. Just click on the button, it will turn it on, and this will lock, as you can see, your card. Your card will be locked and you will not be able to use it. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.